my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to do color and highlight together at once. I want to show you how you can do it. So I have a beautiful lady over here. We part her hair and she would love to go much lighter. You know that older we get, when we have a gray color, we want to make it much lighter instead to do darker. So this way with your face it looks better. So what did I do now? I separated the hair for 4 parts. That's what you do. You put clips so it makes it easier for you. She would love to use this box over here, which is nice and easy. This is the color we're going to put, and then on top of it we're going to do the highlight bleach. Alright, now we're going to put the color. When you put the color, first you put around the face, just like this. I mix them together, the colors, half and half, or you know, the way the box it comes. If they have little hair, you don't have to put all. You can just use the half of the bottle. If no, you can put all of them. So now we're putting around the face. Make sure around the ears are very, very good color, because always around the face it gets lighter much quicker. Alright, now that I part in 4 parts like this and then put in the middle, just tap it into your color right here. You can see it very good, just like this, and then you'll start to take it from the corners, from an angle, just like this, and you put your finger like this, you color at the end of the tail of the comb. You just hold it like this and you push it. You make sure that every hair that it's gray, white, whatever color is, it's colored nicely. So this is the way you have to do it. And then you'll do the other side after you finish here. I just want to show you just a part because it's going to take too long. I would love to show you. Let's say I did here. When you come here in the back, which separated the hair, let me turn it and show you, which I separated here. Over here you go this way, an angle again, and you do just like this. You go, make sure all the hair got color. You hold it, you pull it, you hold with other hands, and you color it. You just take it like this, you hold with your hands, and you put the color. So this is the way you do. I'm going to do all the hair. I'm sure you got the message. I'm going to do all the hair, and then I'm going to show you what we are going to do. Alright, now that you see over here the color is done, so what are we going to do? We're going to, of course, we're going to do highlight, and of course highlight, it takes time. It takes time. At the same time, color, it has to be at least 40 minutes usually I put, and I won't tell you, any color you do 45 minutes later it stops the action. So now we have to do is the weaving. I'm going to use color charm Wella. Any bleach will do okay. Let me see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put for now 1 spoon, maybe a little bit more. Well, let me measure it, so maybe it makes it easier for you to know it, how much. I usually don't measure, but I take, it looks like it's a tablespoon. It comes with the spoon and a half, you take it. And because we want to do a lighter, I am going to use 40% peroxide. So higher number it is, it makes it lighter. So you put little by little beginning, so you don't have to make too liquidy. It has to be just like a whipping cream. If it needs more, keep this away from your friends so they don't have to breathe. Try to wear a mask if you can, because it's a powder. The bleach, the powder comes to your nose. It's not good for you to breathe. Now that you see over here, it's pretty thick it is. Do you see it? It's way too thick. I have to put some more. If it needs, we can put some more. If no, it will be good. I have to mix it. Just like whipping cream, beaten whipping cream will be. If I hold like this, it should be a little bit more liquidy. Can you see it? We need to be a little bit more liquidy, just a little bit more. We don't make too liquidy, so we don't want it to drip from her scalp, from the hair. Now you see it? Beautiful, like a whipping cream. We have to separate the hair again. Alright, now I have to separate the hair. When you have to do highlight, you have to make sure that you separated the hair so it makes it easier for you and you know what you're doing. Do not comb the color, just separate the hair. First, you do this part and then you take the sides. The combs, they have the sharp red tail comb it is. It's tiny, so this is very good for the weaving. You separate them the hair. If I do this, whatever I do this side, it has to be the other side even way. So you might not see here, but it's exactly the way I do this side. Now here from the top, you just bring it down. You have to separate 3 pieces, just like this. There we go. All right, now this is what we have to do. We're gonna put this separate. Here we go, and we put this part separate. And now we're ready. What we have to do, I'm gonna just put this up because it's a little too heavy maybe. If you want, you can separate again just like this. If no, you can just start to work, and I have to show you. Now I have over here paper foils. You can give it to your friends. I cut them. It's like 4 inch by 2 inch, and you'll ask her to give you. Usually the color, the shiny part, I keep it outside. The matte color side, I put that to her hair. The colors, the bleach side. So now you have to ask your friend if she likes too heavy. Heavy, it means like a lot of highlight, or less, or she will tell you. But normally if you have to do it, every inch and a half, if you do, it's good. But she wants less, then you will do every 2 inch, or she might say to you, just I want few strips. You have to do what she likes. Now she likes to have blonde, so what I do, I will comb it. See, now over here it's about like inch. I took a piece, and you comb it, and you'll take it piece by piece. If she wants too heavy, then you'll take big pieces. If she wants to blend together, you'll take it like little, just like this. Can I have a paper? Now I will show you over here that how it looks in the foil. Do you see it? Now what you do is you put this on the foil and you push it close to her scalp. Now when I put the bleach, I won't put too close to her scalp, because just like maybe 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter down, because when you put them under dryer, or if they sit, the heat from the hair, from the head, or from under dryer, it will bubble up, and when it's bubble up, it will go on the scalp. It will be, we say it's leaking. So what it does, the bleach, it goes outside and it makes it orange to the hair, like, because it's not covered, so it will make it, if it bleeds, it doesn't look good. It changes the color for the parts that you're not doing bleach. So you have to be very, very careful what you're doing. Again, I will take it like this. It's like a zigzag, one yes, one no. Do you see the hair over my hands? And then you'll put the paper foil. Again, you put your comb here, and you push it to her scalp. And again, the color goes a little bit lower. And then you fold the hair this way, and there you go. We'll fold it both sides, and always keep extra towel next to you, so when you get bleach in your hands, on your hands, because it does burn from the bleach, so you want to make sure that you're wearing gloves so it doesn't burn your hands. So again, one more time I'll do, and then I'm gonna do it all of them, and then I'm gonna show you, and I'll show you how do you do the front part, so you'll know what to do. There we go. It's not hard, it's very easy, but you have to make sure that you'll pay attention, which I will tell you later on. We don't want to burn the hair, And then you can put your comb just like this and fold it to make it easier. And you fold both sides, and that's how it is. All right, I'm gonna do the back part, and then I'll come in the front and I'll show you. All right, now that I did the top here, the both sides, after I finish, I took the last one here. Now I have to do the both sides. So before you do this, you better do the top part. The way you saw I separated, first I did half until here, and then I did the both sides, and then I did the front, the top part. Now the side, it works much faster. So how do I do the sides? I'll take it in an angle like this. I don't take it straight. I take it in an angle, so this way, in case if it bleeded, it won't show line. So you can do again the way you want it. So this is the way you'll take it. And one more thing too, I want to say, in case if you do it, make sure you do with the friends or whoever. Try to work it a little bit fast. Don't make it too slow, because you don't want the bleach to stay on your hair for a long time. Because when it takes too long and you cannot finish fast, the hair can start to break, because the bleach is very powerful chemical it is. So you make sure that somebody helps you and you'll do it together. So anyway, because a lot of people, they say it takes for a long time, 3 hours, 4 hours. It shouldn't. It should be finished in half hour or in 45 minutes you're bleaching. And then you put them under dryer, which I will show you what I do. So this is the way you work, a little bit faster. You'll take the matte color inside, the shiny part outside. You'll put the bleach not so close to the scalp, so when it boils, because we put under dryer from the heat, it might leak. And just make sure that you put good bleach on each hair. In case if the hair is damaged at the ends, of course they need haircut. You have to trim it. If no, you can always leave the ends outside. If they don't want to cut, just make sure the ends you leave it out. Let me show you how. So you'll put the paper again like this. I will put the bleach, and then you fold it. Do you see these ends over here? I won't put bleach on it. If you are not gonna cut and it's already lighter color, if you put it, it will break and it will be dry. So you can keep that outside. It's okay if it's outside of the foil or inside of the foil. Make sure there is no bleach. If she's not cutting her hair, because the ends are very porous, it will dry up very fast. But it's always good idea to give just a smidge trim after the bleach, because the hair will look healthier. There you go. So now this way that you see how I did, I'm going to do the same thing the other side. All right. Like I said, it shouldn't take too much time to do the hair. Make sure that you work a little bit faster, because it's bleach. Faster, of course, at the same time good work, not just fast. Here we go. After I finish her hair, I'm going to give her a little trim the ends, so the hair will look healthier. She might trim it, she might cut more, I don't know, but it will be nice to give after your permanent or after the bleach. It's a good idea. Over here on the top, make sure that it's even. There. And you take piece by piece. There we go. Now this is color and bleach are doing together. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to do the other side. Once I finish, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what we are going to do. Whenever you have bleach on your finger like this, make sure you wipe it so it doesn't go to the other hair. All right, I'm going to show you once I'm finished. All right, now you see over here, all the hair is done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cover her hair and we're going to put under dryer. Why we put the plastic bag? So we don't want the bleach to dry it fast. So what it does, it kind of protects, just to give a little heat so it can work a little faster. That's what it is. Now we're gonna put her under dryer, and I want to say that under dryer you put them and you have to check it every 5 minutes, but the maximum I will leave 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. You have to check to make sure that the highlight, the color got lighter, and you will wipe a little piece and you show her to see if that light is good enough or she wants to stay longer to be light. But I said more than 20 minutes, it might start to break her hair. It depends, you have to test it. If you leave longer, lumps will come out. So you have to be very careful, you have to watch out. At least every 5 minutes, open it to see the color. Sometimes it works fast, sometimes it takes a little more time. So we're gonna put her under the heat right now, and then I'm gonna show you what we are looking for. There you go, and you make her comfortable. You put her feet up so she can relax. And in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, every 5 minutes, like I said, we will look and we will see how it's working. All right, now I want to show you. We were sitting 15, maximum it was 20 minutes. And this is the color that she likes it. If I leave much longer, it will be much whiter. But we want to blend with her hair. We don't want white. So let me wipe this so you can see better. So now this hair, if it blends with this, you can see how pretty it's gonna look. We don't want too white, but we don't want too red either, which is not red. It's gonna work very nice with her color. So I'm gonna take them out, we're gonna wash it, and then we're gonna show you the result by drying it. All right, now over here, the way you see it, the color. This is the highlight that we did. It came very, very nice. Now we're gonna give her a little trim, and then we're gonna fix her, and then she'll be done. And I think she's very happy with the color. She's pleased with it. So like I said, longer you leave the bleach, it gets more whiter. But you have to be very careful not to leave too long, otherwise you're gonna see clumps coming out from her hair, to anybody's hair. So you have to make sure that it doesn't burn. That's what it is. So this is the way it's gonna look, the color. Here's the finishing result, the highlight with color, and I think she's very pleased. We give a little trim, and this is beautiful work. And here's the beautiful lady sitting. Now we have to find her beautiful boyfriend. But she has a handsome husband already. She doesn't need one, is enough. So anyway, if you like this work, the video, please like and subscribe, and I thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.